start climbing Blood Mountain. So a little nervous because it's a 4,500 foot mountain, and it's a long, steep climb. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to it, but at least it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It's cold, so I'm not going to sweat too bad. So it should be a great day. All right, I think we got our first look at the mountain. I'm not sure which one it is. I'm thinking it's probably that one right there. But it doesn't matter because we're going to be all up in that business today. Going that direction, right across that. Heading down to the base here, and then this little draw, and then the hard part starts. It's hard as I imagined it would be. Very steep, very long. This is the first place along the way where I had a chance to rest a little bit. So I'm gonna quick get a video. Show you a little bit of Blood Mountain before I get back on the steep stuff again. I'll put the phone away, which is right here. So almost there. So, way up there. A little bit more to go. Not too far. Slow and steady. We're getting way up there now. The terrain's starting to change. I'm thinking we must be getting close, but it's hard to tell. This just goes on forever. It's right up there with the longest, hardest climbs I've ever done. I think we're almost done. I hope.
Like party going on here.
Yeah, right. Look at this.
Oh my!
I'm told this is the oldest and highest point in Georgia. This shelter. I don't know if I want to stay in here, though. It seems kind of musty and dank. I'm glad that climb is over. That was crazy.
That's for sure. But no, apparently they bring one, and at the summit they have
That's so
a
cool.
glass or two. It's like some kind of.
Huh. Well, we can always just incorporate
We
it.
can start our
So
own.
that's it for Blood Mountain. Now it's a steep, steep descent down to Neels Gap. All right, we're about halfway down, and that climb was tough. That was a long way up there, baby. I think another mile or so, and we'll be out of here down in Neels Gap. There's a lot of people. The crowds today were crazy. I must have passed probably 50 people coming up the opposite direction. I forgot it was a Saturday. I thought today was Friday. So there's like people everywhere. So this is Neels Gap. This is the famous tree here where everybody who quits throws their shoes up in that tree. So, oh, I did a nice little better, so I'm gonna go in there and have a pizza. Here we go. Whew. I forgot that there was a steep ass 1,000-foot climb coming out of Neels Gap. I'm starting to think that pizza wasn't such a good idea. Alright, we're a couple miles outside Neels Gap now, and I don't really have an agenda for today as to where I'm going to stop. I'm just going to hike till around 7 and just find a place to camp. However far I get is however far I get. The elevation gain and loss is like up and down, up and down. You can see right over there, we're going up those mountains next and across there. It's just been one after another today. I kind of thought maybe Blood Mountain would be the biggie, and it was the big one, but man, it's just, I looked at the terrain and it's one right after another for the next few miles, so we'll just see how far I can get. Man, yeah, it's just been one hill right after another. I honestly don't know how much more of this I can take before I gotta hang it up. I really want to keep going until dark, but my body has just had it. I don't know. I'll keep pushing as long as I can, but man, oh man, it has been a hard day. Beautiful day, lots of cool shit, but man, has it been hard. Yep. Still going up. I'm earning these miles today. Oh, that is pretty. Beautiful. Whew. That is pretty. Oh, the trail goes down here. There's blazes here. Wow. Holy cow. Wow. This stuff never gets old, I swear. The climbing, definitely. But man, when you get up here, it is so beautiful. Last big climb of the day right here. About 1,000 feet. It's gonna take forever because it's steep and lots of switchbacks, but once I get to the top of this one, it's pretty smooth sailing. It's a pretty spot down here too, at this little parking area. Just crossed the road. I don't even know what it is, but look at that. We're in the home stretch. I finally made it up to the last climb. It is so hard to believe that we climbed all those mountains today. All the way up there, all the way down, and then up this one and around. For tonight, I think as soon as I see a good flat spot, I'm gonna throw up the tent and call it a night. I have no idea how far I've come. No idea. I'll total it all up at the end of the day and let you guys know. Okay, that's the end of day 3. It was a long day. Saw a lot of cool stuff. I went over Blood Mountain, got to see Neels Gap, have a little pizza, climbed a lot, hard miles. So just to give you an idea, I hiked from 8 o'clock this morning until 6:30 tonight. I found a campsite here. It's called Hogan's Gap or something like that. And I only made 15.5 miles in 10 hours. That's crazy. So it was hard. It was very hard today. I'm very sore. My feet hurt. Very much looking forward to stretching out and just getting some sleep, and starting fresh tomorrow. Great weather, great day, but hard. Looking forward to tomorrow.